Good morning, children. Welcome back to school. Myself, Sirisha, your English teacher. Hope you all must have enjoyed your summer vacation. Now it's time to learn. Are you all excited to meet your friends and share your secrets with them? Yes, I know. So today we are going to learn a lesson about two sisters and their friends. Lesson 3, The Swamp Mystery. Swamp means a wetland with wild plants. Mystery, difficult to understand or to explain. Learning objectives. We learn new vocabulary with correct pronunciation. Identify the moral of the story. Let's learn new vocabulary. Swamp, narrow, mysterious, unsteady, wagon, ragged, anxiously, harvesting, spare, moonlit. Now let me introduce the characters. Varsha, Jaya, Salma, Leela, father, mother, and an old man. Varsha and Jaya are sisters. They live in a red brick house built at the end of a long narrow path. Narrow means very thin way. There are wheat fields near their house. On the way to the fields from their house, there is a swamp. The sisters go to school every morning. On returning, they have lunch with their mother and take a quick nap. Varsha and Jaya go out to play. After dark, they stay indoors. The girls were playing in their doll's house. Varsha and Jaya hear a strange sound every night. They discussed about the strange sound with their friends. Then they decided to find out the strange sound coming from the swamp. Father was harvesting in the fields. Harvesting means cutting and gathering a crop. The girls planned to investigate about the strange sound on Saturday night. They heard the sound. They all agreed that the sound was coming from the backyard area from the hut. They saw an old man near the hut with ragged clothes. Ragged means very old and torn. As the girls were near the hut, the sound became louder. He was taking the floorboards out of the hut. Floorboard, floorboard means long pieces of wood used in a wooden floor. They four walked home wondering what the man was looking for. At the breakfast the next morning, they told their parents about the sounds, the search, and the stranger. Parents said about the rumor that some gold is hidden in that old hut. Every now and then, someone hears about it and tries his luck. So the father said that he'll be another disappointed fortune seeker for sure. Disappointed means upset. Fortune seeker, someone in search of great wealth. The swamp mystery was solved. So, what did we learn from this lesson, children? What value did we learn? The value from this lesson we have learned that we should not go out without informing our parents, especially at night, because they know what is right and what is wrong for us more than ourselves.